Okay, today what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate the use of WashSafe Canada's rust remover called Quick Rust Off. Now, what I'm going to spray today is this area right here in front of the garage. The owner of this property, as a hobby, restores automobiles, and over the years the grinding and so on has significantly stained the asphalt. So I'm going to use the gallon size. It comes with this very handy little spray apparatus. Very simple to put on. You just take the lid off, the rust off, slide it in, attach the spray nozzle, and we're ready to go. So let's walk over now. As you can see, the gallon size is probably good for a large area. Simple spray, and I'm just going to spray the asphalt. Now, this Quick Rust Off is formulated from a naturally occurring acid, naturally occurring in nature. If you look at the old Farmer's Almanac, you'll see that our great-grandmother used to clean her iron pots with rhubarb leaves. So this product is a derivative of a similar acid to rhubarb leaves. Now you can see already the rust is starting to dissolve and disappear. Quick Rust Off is ideal for marine use, for automotive restoration, for any kind of bikes or hunting or mechanics, anything that has surface rust, this works well. So it's a simple spray on, and the rust will disappear right in front of your eyes. So you can see that we've probably been working here for 20 or 25 seconds, and the results are spectacular. Now I've found that the marine industry loves this product because it seems to be one of the few cleaners that will actually take rust out of fiberglass. So when you get fiberglass stains on your boat, your vinyl cushions, even the yellow stains on the bottom of the boat, a quick application of Rust Off, and in that case we spray it on and wipe it off, will remove those stains. It will remove rust stains from almost any surface, even wood. In fact, there's a lady in Australia buys some every year. She lives on the outback in that iron oxide soaked dirt, and she buys it because it's the only thing that will get rust stains from her husband's clothing. I lose my shirt in sending it to her, but I think it's an interesting story. Now, there are a couple of cautions, like most products that we do with Rust Off. One is, be careful around glass. Rust Off will etch glass if you leave it sitting. So if you happen to get some overspray on glass, wash it off immediately. The other thing is it's very toxic to plants. It will kill plants on contact. I actually use it in my driveway for clearing out chickweed out of the gravel, but that's not ideally what it's intended for. Finally, the thing to remember is that this is not a rust preventative. After cleaning with Rust Off, it has to be treated with an oil or some sort of a coating, or else the rust will come back. This is purely a surface cleaning rust product. So there we have, just in a matter of seconds, you can see how the rust has disappeared from the asphalt. The asphalt is coming back. I probably would give it a scrub with a stiff brush and then garden hose it off, but we won't take time to do that today. On other surfaces, such as bicycles or boats or whatever, it's a simple spray on, let it work till it disappears, wipe it off. It works on porcelain, it works on fiberglass, it works on anything that can have a rust stain. So that's what we have here, Quick Rust Off from WashSafe Canada. Thank you very much.